All right, Ryan, thanks so much. Today we are hearing from local law enforcement for the first time about the speculation that ICE is preparing to ramp up enforcement here in Maine next week. There was supposed to be a news conference today with the Cumberland County District Attorney and the Mayor of Portland. That, however, was canceled over security concerns. We, however, did sit down with the Cumberland County Sheriff, Kevin Joyce, just a short time ago to ask what local law enforcement's role might be if there is an ICE surge in Maine. He says they don't have much jurisdiction over raids, but if they were called to a scene, like some sort of civilian protest, they could potentially act to protect either protesters or ICE agents, but would all depend on what's happening.
If we were called in, we would make sure that the protesters could protest, but we'd also make sure that there's no hindering. You know, if we see things that don't look good, because we're held to a standard as law enforcement, then, you know, my belief is we take information down on what's going on if we have body camera footage, and we look at potential charges on whether or not ICE was doing the right thing.
Sheriff Joyce tells us he has not actually heard any confirmation that ICE agents are coming. He says ICE has not reached out to the sheriff's office at all. However, if there are any enforcement actions being carried out by ICE, he encourages all civilians not to interfere.